All right, so I got a good one here. I love electrical faults, and I guess, you know, I always wanted to be able to fix things that were electrical because I felt like if I could tackle those, I could tackle anything on a car. Now this one is a neighbor just down the way here. He's in construction, and I think he's also doing restorations. So gentleman's name is Chris, and he's a pretty cool guy. He has an F150, pardon me, F250. So he has a misfire on cylinder 4, and this is the Triton engine with the nightmare plugs that have a special little combustion chamber tip on them. And in my humble and forgettable mechanic's opinion, it's a terrible design. Usually they stick in the cylinder head, and they're really hard to get out. Sometimes you got to pull the cylinder head. So I knew walking into this one that the odds were stacked against me, but he's been working on it too. And he did all the coils, all the plugs, swap coils, P0354, repeats over and over. This is an open circuit. The computer thinks there's no connection at the coil. So after a compression test and verified that the engine's good, double checking to make sure nothing was stuck down in that hole, we went ahead and we got a connector. This is a $25 part, y'all. Put that thing on there, hooked it directly to the computer, basically reran a wire harness from the number 4 driver on the PCM down to this number 4 coil. Bam, the problem's fixed. So for a $23 part and a good 4 hours of labor, we found a problem on an F250. We fixed it very inexpensively, and we're gonna hook this guy up. So here's what things look like. And the main reason I'm making this video is for the younger guys out there that are moving into electrical and diagnostic. Garbage in, garbage out. I was ready to call this car PCM. You'll see the videos of my oscilloscope, and one driver, which was coil number 2, as a good coil, a good driver. What does a good driver look like? And then look at number 4 and see its driver. And my first test was bad. I was ready to call it a PCM, and as I walked away, the connector pulled off of the coil. It was a really difficult fit to plug the connector in. And once I got the connector pulled in right, I had a fixed car. So garbage in, garbage out. Make sure your tests are done properly. Make sure your connections are all right. And always double check your stuff. That's how we got to our solution on this one. I think it's a pretty cool one, and I'll pepper in the oscilloscope readings in the video so that you can see them. Yay. Now that we have everything hooked up, misfires are gone, driver looks great. This is a wiring problem.